Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. All the links to the products mentioned in this video are down in the description for easy access. This review reflects my personal experience with the service. Today, we're taking a look at Hims, the online pharmacy designed to provide men with easy, discreet, and affordable healthcare solutions. Hims focuses on common concerns such as hair loss, erectile dysfunction, anxiety, and more. The platform is incredibly user-friendly. After a simple sign-up process, you'll complete a short, secure online consultation, which is then reviewed by a licensed healthcare professional. Upon approval, your medication is shipped directly to you in discreet packaging, prioritizing your privacy and convenience. A significant advantage of Hims is its affordability. They offer FDA-approved treatments at prices that are often much more competitive than traditional pharmacies. For instance, hair loss medications like finasteride and minoxidil are considerably less expensive through Hims. They also offer convenient, customizable subscription plans to ensure you never have an interruption in your medication supply. Hims excels in its accessibility. Eliminating the need for in-person doctor visits, it's a perfect solution for busy individuals or anyone who may feel uncomfortable discussing these sensitive health topics face-to-face. In my own experience, using Hims was incredibly smooth and efficient. The online consultation took roughly 10 minutes, and the healthcare provider's feedback was thorough and professional. Shipping was also quick. I received my order in just a few days. Furthermore, I found their customer support team to be responsive and helpful when I had questions about modifying my subscription. It's important to remember that Hims is primarily designed for managing non-emergency, ongoing conditions. It's not suitable for acute medical issues, and you should always consult your regular doctor for any serious or complex health concerns. However, for its target audience, men seeking affordable and convenient solutions for everyday health challenges, Hims is a real game changer. If you're interested in exploring what Hims has to offer, click the links in the description below to get started. I'd love to hear about your thoughts and experiences with Hims, so please share them in the comments section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.